Setting up expense categories that make tax filing easy might sound like a tedious task, but I promise you it's way simpler than you think. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your expense categories in a way that not only helps you stay organized, but also makes tax season a breeze. Stick with me, and I'll walk you through the process step by step while showing you how to leverage some of the best tools out there. First off, the key to a smooth tax filing process is a solid system for tracking your expenses throughout the year. And that all starts with setting up the right expense categories. The idea is to break down your spending into specific groups that make sense for your financial life and business. Start by identifying major areas where you spend most of your money. This could be categories like office supplies, travel, meals and entertainment, or even software subscriptions. The goal is to create categories that are broad enough to capture all your expenses, but specific enough to make sense when you need to pull reports later on. Next, don't be afraid to customize your categories to fit your unique needs. For example, if you have an e-commerce business, you might want to add a category for shipping costs or advertising expenses. The more specific you can get without overcomplicating things, the better. Now, the software we'll be using today makes this setup process a breeze. You can easily add and edit expense categories with just a few clicks, and once you're done, the software automatically organizes everything for you. No more sifting through piles of receipts at the end of the year. Everything is sorted by category and ready for tax filing. But what about tracking those expenses throughout the year? Well, that's where the magic happens. With this software, you can link your bank accounts and credit cards directly, so every expense is automatically categorized as it happens. You don't have to worry about manually entering anything or wondering where a particular purchase falls. The software does the heavy lifting for you, and you can always adjust categories if something doesn't fit quite right. Here's the trick. Consistency is key. The more consistently you categorize your expenses, the easier it will be to generate reports when it's time to file your taxes. If you make sure each expense is in the right category as it occurs, you'll save yourself hours of work at tax time. Once your categories are set up and your expenses are being tracked automatically, you can easily generate reports. These reports will show you exactly where your money is going and give you a clear picture of your financial health, which is essential when filing taxes. To help you get started, I've got an exclusive offer for you. In the description below, you'll find a link to a free trial for the software we're using today. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. Follow along with the tutorial and get started with a system that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. Before I wrap up, here's the key takeaway you need to remember. Setting up the right expense categories and using the right software is the key to making tax filing easy. By taking a few minutes to set up your categories and track your expenses consistently, you'll save hours of frustration when tax season rolls around. To quickly recap, start by setting broad yet specific categories. Use software to track your expenses automatically, and always stay consistent with how you categorize. And remember, take advantage of the free trial in the description below if you want to follow along. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your tax filing setup.